First, frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is a graph only constructed by using the lines to join the midpoint of each interval. So through the histogram, okay, we can draw the frequency polygon. There is no separate method for the frequency polygon in Matplotlib library. So first you have to draw the histogram and then we have to join the midpoints. Next, how to construct. So first we have to create the histogram graph using the hist function, and hist type should be a step. Then we have to join the midpoint of each interval. To see the example, so import the piplot and then uh, the data is also assigned. 5, 15, 25, 35, 15, 55 is the data, and bins interval values are given 0 to 60, and weights equal to 24, 10, 45, 33, 6, 8 are given, and the bin's edge color is red and hist type is step. So step histogram will be drawn, and next we have to join the midpoint of that each interval. So we have to use the flat function to draw the line. So for draw the line, x coordinates, y coordinates required. So x value the data value passed, and weights passed for y axis to join the line. Next, pie chart is a circular graph and broken into a segment is called slices. So the whole chart area represent 100 percentage of data, and the pie's areas present in the pie chart is the present percentage of parts of data, and the parts of pie charts called wedges or slices, and the length of every arc of wedge determine the area of the wedge in the pie chart, and it is used in business presentations as a quick summary how much the sales in a particular product is, how many percentage score, that information is shown, and also it used for news articles, survey result. Pie function, using pie functions we can build the pie chart. So how that in the each slice area is calculated is that x means that value, set of values, and divided by sum of x. And pi function has the following default parameters. X is the that size of that wedges, and label is a string. I can give the label for each slice or wedge, and colors also can give for in a list format for each wedge. And auto PCT, auto picture, it is used to represent the numeric value. In a format we can give that using the percentage symbol. See by the example. So here days on list value, sleeping on list value, eating, working, playing, slices or list value, and activities we are pausing this or sleeping, eating, working and playing, and colors assigned to the COLS list, and then plot pie chart we are plotting using the pie functions. Slices we are passing that data, and then labels equal to activities. Labels a string, list a string. We are giving this. So see the diagram. The labels will be displayed for each wedge, and angle is display that chart angle, and shadow means it show the shadow effect for the graph. And then auto picture, you see the parameter for everything, it represented in the percentage format in numeric value. uh, 29.2, 8.3 percentage like that is given. So if you are giving here giving one means it will show in the format uh, point next one digit will come. Suppose if you are giving point 2 means point next 2 digit will be displayed. And xpro is the distance from the center of the graph. So you should give in this no, tuple format, not a list format, tuple value. It's correspond to that each wedge distance from the center. We send the data values. And next we can show the legend like other graph in pie chart also using legend function. So here labels cookie, jelly bean, milkshake and cheesecake, and sizes, values, data values given, colors is given. Here patches command text is used to display the text in the legend, so we must give. If you don't give me text will not be, the label will not be displayed in the legend, so we must to give. And then in the legend we are passing the data's by chart patches, and labels we are passing. Even though pass labels we have to assign text in the pie chart function. And locations equal to best, you can give the following any one of the value to display the legend in the graph. And tight layout means it will automatically adjust the subplot parameter purpose we are giving. And wedge property, so another one attribute of pie chart. See here, using the wedge property we can set the line style, size, color. It should given in the dictionary format, explode given in tuple format, colors given in the list format, data, but wedge property should give in the dictionary format. So curly braces open, line with and three edge color red, and line style is dashed is Q. And next frame attribute. Frame is a Boolean attribute, and it is drawn around the axis will be x-axis, y-axis will be true, will be shown if you are giving frame equal to true. And axis equal means it will ensure the pie chart is drawn as a circle. If you don't give axis mean, it will not come as a circle, full circle. Without giving axis, you try, you will see the picture differently. And next, so once we draw our system, we should use the function save figure method. We can save PDF, SVG, PNG, JPG file format, and the plot a J figure, and you can give the path of the where you want to save. That path you should give. And see your PDF format, SVG format, and PNG format, GIF format, anything you can save. And while you are going to save in the JPG format, you can give this other attributes. TPI means is the dots per inches, that is indicate the resolution of the picture. By default value is 100. And quality from 1 to 95 you can give the best image quality. And optimize, it set the encoder settings value. While you are using JPEG format, that time only it will be useful, otherwise it default false only. And progressive also, while you are using the JPG format, that time only you can use it. Okay, so if you are giving a progressive true means it indicates that image is stored as a progressive JPEG file. So while we are exporting that our plot to any other place, we can use the format SVG format or PDF format. This is the best one compared than other format because it provides the high quality SVG or PDF. See the example how to save the pictures. I'm using that save figure function, and the file name is a.pdf. So where this program is saved, the same location, this graph image will be exported into the PDF format in the file a.pdf. See here, it is stored a.pdf format. The image is saved. Thank you.